Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about the file handling process in PHP. So this file handling process is the important part of web application, and here are multiple kinds of functions that we can use within this file handling process. So first we are starting with the file exists to check whether this file is existed in this process or not. For that you have to use this function, that is file underscore exist, and in curly bracket you have to mention the name of the file that you want to check. So here I am using the if statement that will check the file, this file1.txt, that it is existed in this or not. Okay, after that the next command is for the reading the file. So if you want to read the file, you can use this function, that is read file and close bracket. So in close bracket you have to give the name of the file which you want to read. Next part is for opening the file. So this f open and these close brackets are used to represent the name of the file that you want to open. And after that you also have to write the specific mode in which you want to open the file. So here this R is representing that you want to open the file for read only, and if you write here W, small w, that it will represent that you want to open the file for write only, and here it will erase the content of the file, or it will create a new file if it doesn't find this particular file1.txt, and it will start the pointer at the beginning of the file. And if you will write A, that is also used to open a file for write only process, but in this process it will preserve the data that is stored in the file, and the pointer will be started from the end position. Next is if you will write here X. So this X will create a new file for the write only process, and if it will return an error if this particular file name will already exist in the process. Next one, the other more specific mode for these are R plus, W plus and A plus. So these all are used for read write process. Opening file for read write, R plus, W plus and A plus are the same processes. So coming to this part in program, here I am representing the variable name my file, and my file I am evaluating to the using this equal to assignment operator, and I am using this f open function, and in this close bracket I am representing the file name to which I want to read only. So after that I am representing the another function, that is die. So die will execute if the program is unable to open this particular file, then it will show the error that the file is unable to open. And this echo function will I am using to read this file, that is represented by fread. In fread, in close bracket I am using this name of the variable which is representing the file name, and after that I am representing the file size. So this will show the file size of this particular file name of file1.txt, and this fclose I am using to close this open file. So let's see how it will be shown in the browser. For that you have to go to run project. So here you can see that the first of all it's showing the result, that is file exists. So this result is for this if statement, and as this file1 is existed in this program, so that's why it's showing that file is existed. So if you will change the name of this file, that you write file.txt and now save it, and now refresh the browser. Sorry, you have to run it again. So here, sorry, here this file is attached to this program, that's why it's not showing this. So you can write here file1.exist. So if you want to see the changes, you have to delete the file that is associated with it, and this file you can see that from here this file is associated with it, and this is program 43, and here the program 43 is represented here. So here you can see that this file1 is attached to this index.php. and this file have this text, particular text. So next, the next is for function is for the read file. So here it will represent that you want to read the file, so that's why it's showing the all content here for this particular file. The next file, that is to open this particular file. Here this particular file fopen file1 .txt, here it will represent, it will open it and to read it, so that it's representing the whole text here in the browser, and after that it will close this particular file. So if you will write here file 5 and now you want to read the file 5, now save it and now again refresh the browser. So here it will show the error because the file is showing fopen file5.txt failed to open the stream because such file is not existed in this program. And here is showing unable to open file, that is it executing this particular function, that is die function. So this is how we can use these commands, that is file exist, read file, fopen, fread and fclose to execute to use in this file handling process. So this is all about file handling process in PHP. Thank you.